Greetings from the Asian Productivity Organization, APO. This is Mohammad Tanvir Faisal, Program Officer at the APO, and I am delighted to welcome you all to today's Productivity Talk. Productivity Talk, or shortly known as P-Talk, is a series of online discussions where we explore emerging trends, best practices, and cutting-edge innovations that enhance productivity across industries. Today's session is particularly exciting as we dive into a topic that is shaping the future of manufacturing: artificial intelligence in smart manufacturing for SMEs. Manufacturing industries worldwide are undergoing a massive transformation with the adoption of Industry 4.0 and AI-powered solutions. While large corporations have the resources to embrace this shift rapidly, small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, have faced challenges in leveraging AI for operational efficiency, cost reduction, and innovation. In this session, we will explore how SMEs can harness AI-driven solutions to enhance productivity, improve quality, and optimize production processes. To provide expert insights into this critical topic, we are honored to have with us Dr. Hui-Yi Fan. Dr. Fan, it is a pleasure to have you with us today.
Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Hui-Yi Fan, and I'm glad to be here to discuss this kind of very emergent issue. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Fan. It is my pleasure to introduce our esteemed speaker, Dr. Hui-Yi Fan, whose impressive career spans both academia and industry. Dr. Fan is currently the Director General of the Strategic Intelligent Innovation and Service Research Division at the Commerce Development Research Institute, CDRI, Republic of China. She has held leadership roles as the Deputy Director General of the Business Model Innovation Research Division and Director of AI Service Research Institute at CDRI. With over 20 years of experience in strategic planning, digital transformation, and industrial policy development, Dr. Fan has played a pivotal role in shaping AI adoption in various aspects, including manufacturing, market intelligence, and economic forecasting. Her research and patents on AI-driven decision-making, risk assessment, and smart business models have had a profound impact on AI applications for SMEs. She has also worked on international collaborative research with tech giants like IBM, Microsoft, and Google, co-developing AI solutions for business and market positioning. Beyond her professional expertise, she is a passionate advocate for leveraging AI to drive sustainable and scalable industrial growth. Dr. Fan, it is an honor to have you with us today. Dear viewers, please feel free to share your comments or questions in the live chat below. Dr. Fan, the floor is yours. You may please start the presentation.
Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Hui-Yi Fan, and today I'm be talking about how AI transformed the manufacture especially for the SME. AI is no longer a luxury; it is a necessity for the business to stay competitive. So let's explore how AI can enhance efficiency, reduce the cost, and drive the innovation. And this is the topic about this, and this is my profile. The host just mentioned about that. And next three slides, they will. That means a lot of people. A lot of very famous people, they are talking about the AI. They're talking about AI, how AI is powerful. So that's why we are here, just because AI is a foundation of the modern manufacturing. It helps the industry become more intelligent, autonomously, and reliant. AI enable the business for all sides of the optimized operation, improve the quality, reduce the cost. So let's see how the SME needs AI. Without AI, SMEs struggle with the inefficiencies. unexpected breakdown and high cost. So the AI changed the game by enhanced quality control, predictive maintenance, and resource optimization. This allowed the SME to compete with the large company more efficiently. So, but AI has an evolution. So the manufacturing is evolved from the simple automation to the AI-powered decision making. We are now entering the industry 5.0, where human AI collaboration enable personalization and smarter production. This open new opportunity for the SMEs. And we're talking about the potential of the AI. The AI will be affordable. So many think AI is very expensive, but now it's not true anymore. The cloud-based AI tools like AWS, like Google Auto machine learning, as accessible and scalable for the SME. So let's explore some key AI application in manufacturing. So the first one today with the mainstream is discussing the efficiency boosting, the cost reduction, and improve the production. And the first one, AI can put into the predict the maintenance. The maintenance breaking down the unexpectedly can had the production and cause a huge loss. AI powered predictive maintenance to detect the issue before they occurred, minimizing the downtime. For example, the GE used the AI sensor to prevent the costly failures. And we have the case about the Rolls-Royce. The Rolls-Royce is a UK's family, UK's company, and the Rolls-Royce implement AI to monitor the engine health in aircraft. This reduced unexpected downtime by 30%, saving $1 million in repairing cost. The IBM Maximo the Predict was the key AI tool used. And we can put the AI in, AI can help the quality control. The traditional, the defect detection is slow and inconsistent. AI-powered computer vision detect defect with over 99% accuracy. The Tesla, for example, they use the AI-driven camera to inspect the car parts in real time. So that's another example. The case is the case from ROC, Foxconn. The Foxconn is a major iPhone manufacturer and adapt the AI-based image recognition for detection, and this improved the product yield by 20% and reduce the production waste. So what kind of tool they use? They use the Google Auto machine version was the key AI tools used, and we can put AI can also help in the supply chain optimization. So managing the inventory is a challenge for the SME. The AI-driven forecast optimize the supply chain, prevent the overstock or shortage. So Amazon used the AI to cut the delivery time by 30%. And here is a case with everybody will know the Coca-Cola. The Coca-Cola used the AI-driven demand prediction to optimize the inventory to reduce the logistic cost by 50%. So the Amazon forecast was that key AI tools used. And AI can help the production line the optimization, and the factory often struggle with the efficiency. The AI tracked the real-time production and production speed and suggest improvement. Toyota, for example, they use the AI-driven sensor to optimize the processing. So we're talking about the Toyota. So the case study we will use the Tesla in USA, and the Tesla is adapted AI-powered robotic arm to improve the assembling the speed by 25% and reduce the human error. The Siemens Mind Chauffeur has the key of the AI tools that they used. Okay, and when we're talking about the AI can put into a lot of the area in the manufacturing, and now there's why they can do this, why AI can do this, because they have the machine learning and the deep learning in manufacturing. And machine learning allow the AI to learn from the historical data and optimize the process. Boeing, for example, they use the deep learning to detect the defect in the aircraft component, and the AI the AI tools on the machine learning is the TensorFlow. AI and the IoT sensor allow the factory autonomously monitoring and make real-time decision about this. And we're talking about the computer vision of the quality inspect. The AI analyzes the real-time image to spot the defect instantly. The B&W, they use it, and we can see the AI use the computer. How about the computer vision? What kind of the AI they use? They use the AI recognition and Microsoft Azure custom vision. They use two kinds of. You can choose each kind of each. And we're just talking about how can we become an AI-driven factory, and we can use the IoT and the edge computing. What does IoT? We put a lot of IoT sensors to collect the machine's performance data, enable the AI-driven automation, and the example is electric. They use the smart factory. They use the IoT AI integration, and what kind of tools they use? They use the AWS IoT generators, and they use the NVIDIA JSON the AI platform. So two kinds of choice you can use to use the IoT and the edge computing in manufacturing. And what kind of challenge when the when the SME they adapt the AI, the challenge and the solution. When you use the new technology into your company, you might meet some challenge, and when you face this kind of challenge, you have some solution to solve that kind of problem. The first one is a cost and the resource limitation. So the solution is you don't need to build up or buy the equipment by yourself. You just need to subscribe the cloud-based AI, such as AWS, such as the Google automation machine learning, and you have the other key challenge is data management. Now, how can we solve this kind of problem? We can start it from small with the structural factories, the data. We can start it from here and become more and spend more and more, but slowly more and more and more. Okay, so next one is a case study from the Japanese. That's the SME. They reduced the AI implement cost. They met high cost associated with the high AI implementation, even though they are Japanese. And they use what kind of solution? They adapt cloud-based Google Auto machine learning for cost efficiency in AI integration. How about their outcome? They reduce the AI implementation to cost by 40%. So the cloud-based solution is more efficiency for the SME. How about the data management strategy for the SME? Is the second challenge for the SME implement the AI. So this is the 4 steps to follow up. So the first one is to identify key data point is, and the second one is implement the data collection. The data collection use the IoT sensors or automation the data generated, and we have to use the cloud-based AI tools to analyze this kind of the data, and iterative and improve it continuously. And because the result is not the stay, the situation is always change. So you have to iterative and improve one time and repeat and repeat and repeat it again. And what about the ICT in manufacturing? What is ICT? The definition. The ICT definition is information and communication technology integrated with the AI to improve the efficiency. Why we use the ICT? Because the ICT can let us to get the real-time data analysis, can improve the decision making, can enhance the communications across the production line, and setting up the AI-powered monitoring, put the IoT sensor, and we use the AI camera, and we use the cloud dashboard. Okay, the dashboard, they use the user dashboard can get real-time monitoring and analysis. That's why we need the dashboard to present the result to for us and to the boss, to everyone. And how the SME can implement AI-powered the ICT solution. They have the 5 steps. Please follow the 5 steps, step by step. The first one, the install AI camera on production line to capture a production image. In this step, I have to mention about a lot of people will think the camera like a ball. The shape is like a ball. This is more expensive. A lot of companies think expensive. The more expensive, their effect is more better. But now in AI powered ICT solution, we don't need to use this kind of expensive AI camera. You just use the original traditional AI cameras use. Okay, not to buy that expensive one. Just use the traditional, and the cost is more lower. And the second one is using AI powered software. The software about to analyze the defectiveness. And the third one, integrate AI analytics with ICT, the dashboard for the real-time tracking. And we automation the alert to inform the worker when the defect are detected. And the final one, use the cloud storage and analyze it. And again, AWS or Microsoft Azure can improve the AI accuracy over time. And the key way I would like to suggest you to take away is just three points. The first one is cost efficiency automation. The ICT plus the AI allow the cost efficiency automation in the manufacture. The second one is a real-time insight. So immediate detection and analysis for the production issue. And the third one, scalable solution, easily adaptable for various manufacture process is very important. And the AI power for the smart factory, this is a trend for the future, for the near future. The AI power the hyper automation in a small factory. It will come in soon. For the Siemens, they use it. They increase the productivity about 25%. That's very impressive. That's many people impressive about this. And this is the Siemens case. They have the challenge with as the same as the SME. They have the production inefficiency due to the manual decision making. So what kind of solution they use? They use the AI-powered predictive analytics for the supply chain and the factory the automation. How about their result? They increase the manufacturing efficiency by 20%. So what kind of the tools they use? They use their own data, the minded software, the AI-powered industrial IoT platform. They build up their own, but you can also find the open source can do this. Okay, and the AI for the sustainable manufacturing is a kind of trend we are talking about. The AI can help the reduce waste and the carbon the footprints. For the example, the Unilever use the AI optimize their material use and cut down the waste by 50%. So is that impressive, right? And the Unilever that they own is a very famous company from the UK, and they was the challenge about the high energy consumption in manufacturing the plants. So they use the AI, the real-time monitor, to reduce the energy waste, and they reduce the energy consumption by 25%, cutting the cost. So they just use the Google DeepMind AI. So it's a cloud-based AI to do the energy optimization system. And to summary additional AI tools and the case study, the key challenges and the solution for SME. I know that everybody have the limited the budget and the resource, but we can use the cloud AI tools, and we lack of the AI skill. So we can have the partnership with the technical provider. For example, the government, for example, the university. Then the third one is a data collection issue. So we use the IoT for the real-time the data to collect the data. And the fourth one, the final one, is uncertainty about AI ROI. The boss will always concerned about invest AI equipment, AI cloud service, and how about the ROI? So start with the small AI pilot. So you just pick maybe a project or a department to put let them be the AI pilot, and build up the demonstrate very successful, and let them make more confidence. Implement the AI will help us, not harm us, and not let us our job will lose, and that people will getting more confidence. Then spend it slowly, and to the goal. Not at the beginning. Implement the AI into the whole company at the beginning. It should be the small to try to find a pilot to be the demonstrate. This is very important. And the cloud-based tool, a lot of the cloud-based, the Google have the cloud-based, the AWS have the cloud-based, and the Microsoft AI, Azure, they have the cloud-based for the manufacturer. You can use the cloud-based AI tools for the SME. You don't need to buy it. You don't need to invest the very high cost, the equipment, the So you just use the cloud-based solution. And we see the Vietnam textile SME, they adapt the Google, the automation machine learning division. They met the high cost, the traditional inspection system. Say that they use the Google auto machine learning vision for defect detection. So they achieve the defect detection at tenth one, and the cost of the traditional system. And I know a lot of the textile factory, they use the human eyes to detect which part is has to be detection. But human will be tired. They will snip something that will be lost. So use the machine. Try to use the machine to replace the human eyes will be more efficiently, and the machine will never be tired. Okay, and the partnering with the provider for the AI, the skill I just mentioned, the university, the AI startup, the cloud AI providers, and we talk about India, Tata Steel. They partner with the IBM, the Watson AI. They because Tata is a very big company, so they lack of the AI skill among the factory worker, but they don't worry about that. They just partnered with the IBM Watson AI for training on the AI-powered production monitoring. So they successfully training the workforce in the AI-driven the manufacture process. Okay, so using the IoT for the real-time the data collection, follow the step, install the IoT sensor and collect it to the cloud, not to your server, and analyze with the AI. Just use the cloud-based cloud solution and visualize the insight into the dashboard. We can know what happened now immediately. Okay, and the Chinese electric SME, they integrate AWS and the IoT, the green grass. They lack of the real-time machine performance data, so they implement the AWS IoT, the green grass for the data collection and the analysis in the AWS. So they reduce the production cost downtime by 40% throughout the real-time monitoring. So never be tired. Net machine will never be feeling tired with. So started, this is what I just mentioned about, started with a very small AI pilot. So identify the use case, choose a very a project or a specific AI the application, and then implement the solution and deploy your AI the tools to the limited the scope, and then to measure the result, because your boss and because everybody would like to know how about the KPI, how about the ROI, how about their performance is. I think the small size, the demo site become very successful, and their ROI is very high, and then you will scaling up, then spend the successful pilot step by step, and you put the range of more bigger and bigger and bigger, and still step by step. And this is the case by the Spanish automation. They also they uncertainty about the AI ROI, about the quality, the control. Everybody say AI has the quality control is very amazing, but they choose the quality control this topic and implement the Siemens, the Saphira AI for the defect detection as a small pilot. So they achieved the AI in 6 months. Okay, so leading to a full-scale implementation. Okay, so the AI is this is another one. You just choose the small topic we just mentioned about AI can put into a lot of quality control, supply chain management, autonomously the machine learning, something like this. You choose the specific topic and choose that topic, or you choose like a project base in your company, and then to let them to use the cloud-based solution and to collect the data, and use the cloud solution to analyze the data and implement it into that kind of issue, and to see how come how about the ROI, how about the outcome of that kind of the project, and you see it is improved, and you see the ROI is to become very satisfied, and then you congratulations, you build up a very successful demo site, and then you just spend it up to the other part of the company to do this. So this is about the battery. They also use, they just use the AI to do the demand forecast. So they put the AI can help a lot of the a lot of part of company, but they begin to use the AI. They started from just by one point. So this is a battery. They started from the demand forecast about the battery. And final thought, the future, the AI for the SME is that the first one is AI adoption is essential for the SME competitiveness. And the second one, please start small and scale gradually. Okay, please be careful about the second one. And the third one, to leverage cloud-based AI tools for cost efficiency. And the fourth, embrace the AI-driven Industry 5.0 for the future growth. So that's my whole presentation about the AI implemented in the manufacturing. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Fan, for this insightful session. Your presentation has provided us with a clear understanding of the potential of AI in smart manufacturing and its application for SMEs. Now we'll move into the question and answer session. The first question would be, what are the biggest AI adoption challenges for SMEs? And beyond cloud-based AI, what other cost-effective strategies can they use to overcome these challenges?
Okay. Hello. Okay. Okay. I think they're for SME, they're always concerned about the three things. One, the first one is the cost, and the second one is the expertise, and the third one is data, the readiness. So, how about my voice? Hello.
এই স্পিকারটা বন্ধ করো।
I think somebody should close the. Oh, okay, perfect. Perfect. Okay. So one of the biggest challenges is the cost and expertise, and any SME don't have the budget and or in-house AI talent to implement complicate AI solution. So another challenge is the data readiness. The AI will work rely on high quality. Okay. AI will be successful. Implement relies on high quality the data and high quality data, and many SMEs struggle with the unstructured and incomplete data. To overcome this challenge, the SME can start by the partner with the university, AI, the partner startup, or the government programs. I just mentioned about that. They will provide AI resource at a lower cost. Another approach is using local or no-code AI platform, like I just mentioned about the Google auto machine learning or Microsoft powered platform, which allow the business to implement the AI without needing deep technical knowledge. Think of it like using a website builder instead of hiring a web developer. It lowers the barriers to entry. That's my answer. That's my suggestion.
For the clarification and answer to the question. Dear viewers, please accept our sincere apologies for the technical difficulties that has just been arisen. So would like to move on to the next question, and that would be, how should SMEs measure the ROI of AI implementation, and what KPIs or key performance indicators should they track to evaluate their success?
Wow, it's a very critical point. How to measure the AI's ROI? It all comes down to I just give the conclusion. It comes down to the efficiency and the cost saving and the business growth. So the SME track the KPIs such as you have to look at the cost reduction. How much has AI saved in labor or material waste? And this is the first one, the cost down, the cost reduction. The second one, productivity increase. Has the AI speed up production time? And the third one is error reduction. Are there fewer defects in manufacturing? And the final one is the customer satisfaction. Has the AI improved your customers' response, your service response time? Yeah, so this is the four very key indicators to see the ROI about the AI. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Fan. The next question that we'll ask you, with many AI tools available, if an SME is just starting its AI journey, which AI tools should they prioritize for their first adoption and maximum impact?
Oh, okay. It's a good question about that. Actually, AI should be AI. The SME should start it with AI tools that offer biggest impact with the least complexity. Okay, so some great started point are such as the AI-powered chatbot, such as ChatGPT. Everybody know that to automate customer service, and you can be AI-driven analytics, such as Google Analytics or Tableau. Google Analytics is free. Tableau needs money to gain business insight. And the third one, to predictive maintenance tool. What kind of this is very important. About the predict maintenance tools, we can use the such as IBM Maximo or the Siemens Mice Firo, and for the manufacturer's efficiency. So this is the three kinds of starting point. So be careful starting AI tools to direct it to the biggest impact with the latest complexity. This is a very important rules. Thank you.
As we all know, that resistance to change is one of the biggest hurdle that has to be faced within an organization for any kind of transformation. In that perspective, what are the most effective ways SMEs can upskill their workforce for AI-driven manufacturing while minimizing this resistance to change?
Okay, Mm, I think the best way is to upskill the employee is through a step-by-step learning approach, and by showing them the benefit of AI. This is very important because showing them the benefit of AI will build up their confidence. They will build up their confidence and let them know AI is not far. It's not far away. It's not very difficult. So some strategy will be can do this. Maybe you can do. I give maybe three kind of strategy. You can do the hands-on training, the workshops, to familiarize the workers with the AI tools. And the second one, you can have the mentorship, the program. Maybe in your company, you will have someone who will not afraid using the AI, and they let them be the mentors. Okay, and where the experienced employees guide others. And the third one is gamification. That turn the AI learning into a fun. This is very hard, but I think it's for me it's very easy. You know the ChatGPT. Now very emergent is DeepSeek. We know the Gemini, and we know Cloudy, and I will do. It's very very funny. Such like I will ask a question to ChatGPT, and use the ChatGPT's question, the answer, to ask the Gemini. How about, do you think this viewpoint is right? So use A's answer to let B to do the command, and then the B's command to let C to do the command. This kind of change, let them so they struggle. I think I do this kind of things. I think it's very very funny to let A to hit B and let B to hit C, something like this. And finally, you try to use this. I think in AI's area, everybody should to build up one very important skill is asking questions. If you were you may be not a solution provider, but if you can ask the right questions, and you will get the very good, very very perfect solution from the open source the tools. Yeah.
Thank you, Dr. Fan. Gamification has been used as an effective tool in kinds of training and upskilling the workforce in a lot of organizations. So thank you for pointing out that. Beyond technology, what are the key business success factors that determine whether an SME will thrive with the AI adoption?
To speak directly, if you want to implement AI successfully, the key factor is the boss. So the technology alone doesn't guarantee the AI success. Leadership vision, the company's culture, the adaptability play a huge role. The key factor including, if you have a strong leadership support, they let you encourage everybody to use the ChatGPT, so everybody to use it, and the AI adoption must be backed by the company's leaders. So this is very important, and the clear AI strategy. This one is the boss should have the very clear AI strategy in his mind. The business should be set clear AI goal and the expectation, and then allocate and willingness to the experiment. SME will that test and iterate AI implementation, the trend to succeed. Yeah, that's my viewpoint about the 3 key points.
Thank you, Dr. Fan. Okay. Thank you, Dr. Fan. SMEs often struggle with data readiness. Can you outline a step-by-step roadmap for SMEs to prepare their data for AI adoption?
Oh, sure. Think of the data preparation, preparation like you like just preparing the ingredients before cooking a meal. So here's a step-by-step the roadmap. So the first step is identify the data source. So what your data source is. You may have the customer interaction, you may have the sales, you may have the operations, the data points, and so identify the data source, where the data come from. Okay, and the second one is clean and structure the data, remove duplicate and filling in missing information, because when you're looking at your own data, a lot I met a lot of companies. They will tell me, well, I have a huge data, I have big data, but you never to look at your data very structured. So if you look into your data, you find your data there may be some missing information, and maybe some duplicate. So please clean and structure your data. Remove the duplicate to fill in the missing information. And then the step 3 is give them labeling and organizing the data for the AI training. AI, when we put the data into the AI models to training the models, we should put the label in the data and the organization the data, and then final. And the 4th step is using the cloud-based storage. Don't use your server, because the data, when you use the AI computing the algorithm, they use a lot of computing the resource. So just use they use cloud-based storage for easy AI integration. So you can use the Google Cloud, you can use the AWS. It's more cheaper. And the final one is run small AI tests to ensure the data quality before fully implementation. So that's my 5 steps. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Fan. As you all know, that AI has been helping manufacturers to improve sustainability, and you have also shared some case studies of that.
Yeah.
In this regard, what are the best AI-driven strategies that SMEs can use to reduce waste, optimize energy use, and minimize environmental impact?
Oh yeah, this is a very important issue and a very emergent issue. Actually, AI can help the SME to go green with and if you use this, the first one, you use the smart energy management. You can use the AI-driven HVAC system to adjusting the energy use. And the second one, you can use AI-driven the quality control to reduce the material waste in manufacturing. And how about the supply chain? You can use the AI to optimization your supply chain, using the AI to cut unnecessary the transportation costs. And that's the three very easy way to do to help the SME to go green. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Fan. AI adoption raises concerns about ethics, data privacy, and regulatory compliance. What should SMEs be aware of when implementing AI to ensure that they meet the legal and ethical standards?
Sorry, I lost your voice. Hello.
AI adoption raises concerns about ethics, data privacy, and regulatory compliance. What should SMEs be aware of when implementing AI to ensure that they meet the legal and ethical standards?
Oh, okay. This is very important. So SME should focus on the three keys of the area. The first one is transparency. So AI decisions should be explainable and fair. This is the first one, very important one. And the second one is data privacy. Please follow the GDPR or all the relevant regulations when handling the customer data, especially customer data, is very important. The third one is migration. BIOS migration to ensure AI model are training on deliver and responsible representative the data. So the BIOS migration is very important. Let me take an example. An AI-powered hiring tools was found to favor the male candidate due to BIOS training the data. SME should regularly adopt audit AI decision to prevent such the ethical pitfalls.
Thank you, Dr. Fan. We truly appreciate your insights on these critical questions. We thank the viewers for their comments and questions in the live chat on YouTube. We have some few of them. So we'll be showcasing one of the questions. Mr. Dalia Hutabelian, how can SMEs shift their mindset from viewing AI as a challenge to seeing it as a catalyst for growth and resilience?
Yeah. Okay. That's very I think the quick way to do this is or collaborating with the younger people, because the younger people, they are all technical heavy user. They always try to find the easy way to do the work. So you have to hire this kind of people and into your group, and the other people will see how that young man, they use how he can do the work so fast. How to do that, and everybody will curious about this, and they will follow or they will ask him about this, how to do this, and make everybody curious about what kind of what is happened now. So this kind of the most quickly to do the mind shape, because the mindset is very hard to change. But if you put another different background people jump into your organization, and it will shake your mindset in your organization. Yes, that's the quick way to do this. Take for my organization, for example, because the boss are the age is very old, right? So they are not technical heavy user, but the ChatGPT comes out, the Cloudy comes out, the Gemini comes out, a lot of the new things comes out, and they are worried about this, and what it will effective to me, and that's when that kind point, and we just show them younger manager, put younger manager, they accept the technical very quickly. For example, I will be the pioneer to do this. I will show them, and maybe I write an article, I answer his questions, I just let them answer my ask me the questions, all kinds of questions. I can answer the question very quickly, and they were curious about how you answer my questions so quick. And I just tell them, because I have the ChatGPT, I have the Gemini, I have the, and they were curious about what this ChatGPT is, what is Cloud is, what the Gemini is, and how to use it. And they will try to use it by themselves, and they will be started to communicate with the AI. That's the starting point. When this is the starting point to using to change their mind, to shake their mind. That's a point. Thank you. Hello. Okay, I think maybe I lost others. So here I will give you some future AI trends in manufacturing and the SME. And so what's the next for the AI in manufacture and the SME? The future is all about the smarter, faster, and a more autonomous system. First, we heard toward the hyper auto.
Yes, I want to say.
Hello. I just try to tell them about
Thank you, Dr.
the
Fan.
future.
Your
Yeah.
expertise in AI-driven business innovation, smart manufacturing, and digital transformation has provided us with invaluable insights into the future of SMEs in the AI era. Before concluding, could you please share some key takeaways that the participants can implement in their respective roles?
Uh, Finally, actually, in the end, I would like to let everybody know the future AI trends in manufacturing and the SME, because what's everybody want to know what's the next for the AI in manufacture, and how about the SME. So the future is all about you will know the future is all about the smarter, the faster, and a more autonomously system. So first, we're hearing toward the hyper automation and autonomously factories. This means AI-driven production line and require minimal human intervention. The machine that can adapt in a real time troubleshoot themselves and optimize the operation on the go. And then we have the AI powered robotics and the cobot. These aren't just a traditional industry robot. They are intelligence assistant that work alongside the human, improve safety and efficiency. Imagine cobot handling the repetitive or the dangerous task, while the employee focus on the higher value work. The predictive analytics will also be a game changer. So be careful the predict and analytics, because it will be a game changer. Instead of fixing machine after they break down, AI will predict the failure before they happen. So reducing downtime and saving the money. Another key way is AI-driven supply chain. With the AI-powered forecasting, the company can manage the inventory more efficiently and prevent the storage and optimize the logistic. So no more overstock and the last minute rush order. Okay, so for the SME, I just try again. Cloud-based AI will be a very big deal. So instead of the spending the million of the infrastructure, the SME can access the advanced AI tools on a pay-as-you-go base. So that makes the cutting edge technology more affordable and scalable. And there the age, just talking about the age AI. Age AI is a future trend, so which is processing the data directly on the machine instead of waiting for the cloud service. And this means the real-time decision making, the greater for fast-moving production line. And so yeah, that's my point.
Dear viewers, please accept our sincere apologies for the technical difficulties that we have experienced. Dr. Fan, thank you for the insight, and thank you for elaborating on the key takeaways that the participants can initiate implementation. To our audience, thank you for your engagement and participation. It has enriched our session. Let's transform today's insights into actionable strategies in our respective fields. The role of AI in manufacturing is not just about technology, it is about transforming how businesses operate, compete, and thrive. AI powered smart factories are no longer a concept of the future, they are becoming a reality for SMEs today. By adopting cost effective AI tools, leveraging cloud based solutions, and upskilling our workforce, SMEs can stay ahead in an increasingly digitalized industrial landscape. With that, we conclude today's productivity talk. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you at our next productivity talk. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a nice day.